She says she wants her hair done like, basically like mine. Hair like
want
this.
It straight.
Hey, really ain't no need for waiting. Every day feel like it's a celebration. Good times, good vibes, gotta turn it up. Tune in to Bellamy Sia. Hey, we having fun, cracking jokes, what we gotta do. Talking hair care, and it's all natural. Can't forget about the family, you know how mama do.
So, today we are going to be doing Mila's hair. This is my niece, for those of you that don't know. She's had a few cameos on the channel. And as you can see, she's all grown up now with the attitude to match. So, Mila just finished taking out box braids. She had box braids in her hair.
For a month. Let me just give you a 360 in my hair.
It's too close. I was gonna straighten her hair until I saw like the condition it's in. It just needs some help.
Help me!
This is what it looks like, freshly taken out the braids. Like it hasn't been detangled, nothing. This is what it's looking like. And to combat all of that, we're gonna start off by putting Olaplex in her hair and leave it in for 15 minutes. And once that is done, I'm gonna bring her over to the sink to give her a regular wash, and I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna do every step of the way. So the first step is just to do the Olaplex treatment, which you're about to do right now. So let go.
You were burning like a summer in my heart till you found another northern star, following a lover right out of my ocean. And I was broken, but you know what they say, time's got a good way of healing.
All right guys, so this is how much hair came out of Mila's head after applying the Olaplex treatment. As you can see, it's been sitting in her hair for 15 minutes, so it's time to wash this baby out. So I got her hair in the sink, and all I'm gonna do is rinse the Olaplex treatment out of her hair, and then afterwards I'm going to proceed with the regular wash day routine. I'm going to be using shampoo from Trader Joe's called the Nourish Spa shampoo, and we're just going to go in one time, focusing on her scalp, you know, giving her a nice little massage, scrubby scrub, and try to lift all that dirt from her scalp since she's had these braids in for a whole entire month. Once I'm done, just going to rinse that bad boy out. And it's time for wash 2.
I'm back on my feet and I'm happier than ever, like I never thought forever was you. My skies are blue, dancing kind of weather, back together like I wasn't into. Thought I was doomed, but I moved through the heartache mood. I don't care what you.
How was the cold water rinse?
Never again. Never again.
Let go. Alright, so we're only going to be using one product in Mila's hair today, and it's going to be the Balm Afro hair jelly. And you know, before I got started, I had to mess with her, y'all. If you have a niece, you know what it is. Sometimes they just be having this stank face. Like, girl, do you have to pay bills? No. Anyway, I'm starting off by basically sectioning her hair, and then we're just going to start to apply the product to one section of her hair at a time, just to ensure that the product is coating every strand of her hair. Mila has a looser curl pattern than mine. I'm more like a 3C, 4A. She's giving more of like a 2C, 3A, like, I don't know. Let me know what you guys think her curl pattern is down below.
Had me in your possession, had you swimming inside my affection, but with you I came second, so I cut off the connection. And now you're calling me, holding your heart there inside your hands. You say I'm where you wanna.
The curls is curling. Look at that bounce and that body.
I feel good. Da, da, da. I feel good.
Alright guys, so this is what Mila's hair is looking like when it's like 50% dry. You can see it's a lot more fuller. The curls is curling. What do you think? Period.
Period.
Alright Alright, beauties, I had to cut that off because she would have went on forever, but it looks like she actually likes her curls. I hope this encourages her to rock her curls more often, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye, beauties.
Hey, really ain't no need for waiting. Every day feel like it's a celebration. Good times, good vibes, gotta turn it up. Tune in to Bellamy C.